Hey, Golden family. It's Thomas here with the Golden Life Travelers. And today we got something very special to share with you. We're doing an unboxing of our brand new 3-stage filtration system by Blue Technology. Now, this is something that I've been looking forward to because water quality, at campgrounds can be kind of, hit and miss. And for me, with CKD, chronic kidney disease, having clean, safe water really matters to me. So when Blue Technology reached out and sent this out to us to try, I was excited just to see what's in this box right here. Now, why this matters to us? Well, number one, if you're an RVer, you already know every campground is different. Some places have great water, some places have not so great water. But having a solid 3-stage filtration system, it protects your RV, it protects your plumbing, and most of all, most important to you, it protects our health. And like I mentioned, because I'm living with CKD, clean water is something that I take very seriously. And another thing, the way my wife drinks bottled water, man, this could be a great savings for us. So I'm really interested in seeing how this system will perform for us on our upcoming trip. Let's open this baby up and take a look and see what Blue Technology sent us. Okay. We'll just remove all of that. The first thing I see here is the actual filtration system itself, you know what I mean? This is the 3-stage setup right here. It's built real nice. It's got the heavy duty canisters here on it, and it comes already with the quick connects. Has the quick connects on the side, the mounts and things of that nature. That seems to be pretty nice. Also, it comes with a nice carrying bag. Man, that makes it so easy for us to store, especially when you're traveling. It keeps everything sort of protected, you know what I mean? So we have that. Let's see what we got here. Move some of this down out of the way. All right. We have 1, 2, like might be another. Right. So about that. It includes 3 of these bleach-free sanitized packs. And you need them to sanitize your lines before you hook this thing up. So, you don't really see that with other systems. So this is a plus right here. And, all right. Okay, so this looks like this could be the canister wrench right here. You use that to unlock, and whenever you get ready to change your filters out and whatnot, and replace them, this will be the tool that you use for that. Now there's some literature that comes in the box here, stuff like that. There's some other little fittings. There's some other little fittings, little washers and things of that nature. So this is everything that came into the box right here. So I think it comes simple in the box. It was well organized. Well, this feels real solid. That's number one. Everything looks like it's built for RVers. It got perfect weight to it. It's not too heavy. You got the really nice fittings right here. These are the quick disconnects right here on the side. I think it's built well, and it looks like it'll be easy to transport since you have this case. We'll be able to set that right there into the case and be easy to transport. So that's another good quality that I think I like, easy. You can also store it, and hook it up outside your RV and just keep everything neat and clean. So on our upcoming trip, we're heading to Disney Fort Wilderness, and that's down in Orlando, Florida. And we're going to show you exactly where we're going to hook this up. This is the West Bay right here. We're going to show you exactly where we're going to hook it up. The way these 3 filters are set up, you have what you call the longevity filter right here on this side. And from my understanding, what it does, it catches maybe the most bigger, large particles and things of that nature before it go over to the off-grid, which catch more of the very fine type of things that sometimes that you can't even see with the naked eye. And then, of course, after it goes through that, then it'll come through this last filter here. Here, let's just take that off. We'll go through this last filter, and this is the tasty filter. This is the filter that actually make everything taste well. So here you have it here, your 3-stage filtration system. You also have the carrying bag, the bleach-free sanitation packs, and of course you also have the canister wrench. So on our next upcoming trip, we're heading to Disney Fort Wilderness, and I'm going to show you exactly where we're going to hook this up. As I said earlier, right here is our wet bay. And so we're going to walk you through the hose connections, the flow of the directions, and give you a real world test with Campground water. We're going to test it out and see how it works out for us. But today now, this is just an unboxing. The installation is coming very soon. I like to say this to you. If you want to check this out, check out this system from Blue Technology, this water filtration system. I have a link down in the description below. We want you to check that out. You get 7% off. Before we wrap this up, I just want to take a quick moment to thank Blue Technology for sending us this system to check out. As always, we appreciate brands that support creators and the RV community. And we look forward to putting this system to the test on our next adventure. We'll be installing it and giving it a real-world campground test at Disney Fort Wilderness. So stay tuned for that. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button for us. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure. So until next time, bye-bye.